Today we are over at my buddy's house checking out the F-150. He saw the Lasfit mats that I put in my truck and he said, man, that's a great price. And he wanted to check the fitment in his, and they are fitting very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and start over here on the passenger side. Let's show you these mats. So he just got them about a week ago. They're a little dirty, but you don't see any dirt on the carpet. And there's really good protection all around, you can see. And then let's go ahead and go to the other side. Let me show you the front driver. So the front driver, definitely a lot of protection there. It goes all the way. It covers the carpet right here. And then if you look up here, I did not want to clean this mat for this video because you can clearly see the dirt and mud is on the mat. So it covers all the way perfectly, covers the carpet and all the way around here. So let's go ahead and show you this back mat. And that as well has plenty of protection. It goes quite a bit up under the seat there and under that seat, and it goes all the way to this under compartment storage. So there's even a little hump back here, and it follows that contour perfectly. So these Lasfit mats, they're really good price. They're $149.99, and down in the description below, I will link my ZachAttack15 discount code to get 15% off of any purchase at Lasfit, including these mats. So check it out. I appreciate y'all watching this, and in the meantime, subscribe and make sure you hit that thumbs up. Until next time, see y'all.